Good fucking morning. It is fucking cold. 4 degrees. Fucking cold last night. Thermals, hoodie, trackies, everything was on. Beautiful morning though. Hook into Jindabyne, get some fuel. Keep following this Ridge Rider track. Should be some good views today. No drone footage though. The drone's still in the tree. I can't get him down. Oh well. Throw a little track out of there. Oh, what's the foot? Onto the main road. What kind of a main road? To Jindabyne we go. Some skippies. Hopefully we see some more brumbys. There's another skip. Hopefully they don't run in front of me. Kosciuszko National Park. Fucking same as... Oh, because we're in New South Wales. Straight away, you're in New South Wales and you got to book the fucking camp. You got to book there, but not 50 metres down the road. Fuck New South Wales. Just too cold down here for me though. A little bit of something nice to look at here. Jack's Lookout. Look at that. The Snowy River. Pretty spectacular. That is fucking nice. Very nice. Very cold. Very, very cold. I'm riding along at about 50 k's an hour. Fucking freezing. Teeth chattering. Can't feel my fingers, even though they're in them fucking good gloves. Whew. Too cold. Look at that beautiful creature. How good. Oh, there's 2 of them. That's cool. Good looking horse. Oh, there's heaps of them. Up the top there. Some deer up there, whitetail by the looks of it. All the animals are out. Heaps of wallabies, few kangaroos, brumbys, the deer, rabbits. Better than the zoo. How's the view? Pretty bloody good. Almost had some venison, oh, and some rabbit stew. That was cool. Probably not for him. Alright, just turned off the blacktop. The adventure starts. The Ridge Rider Trail. Supposed to be some good views, so hopefully I can get some of it because my fucking SD card is running out of memory again. Might have to stop and clear it if it runs out. Here we go. Beautiful. Look at that road. Very nice. Round them up. Come on. Move them along there. Come on. Round them up. Get rid of them. Fuck, that was close. Just pulled up to fill the bladder up again. This beautiful little creek crossing. Doesn't look very drinkable, but oh well. Fucking smashing out the K's today. I've done about 300, a bit over 300 already. Most days I only do 100 to 200, and that takes me all fucking day, then all through the tight trails. Only averaging 30 or 40 K's an hour. Been sitting on about 80 to 100 today, all open roads, mostly dirt. Beautiful scenery though. It's been nice and relaxing. No fucking logs, no fucking hill climbs, just cruising. We'll keep cruising. We might have a ciggy here, I think. Love to put the drone up, but we all know what happened there. Look at that. Bloody beautiful. back inside.